If you sell products online, you want to be where your clients are. From generating and optimizing a shopping feed to campaign creation and performance tracking, Effortless Feed streamlines the process of promoting your products on Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and more, without even leaving the Shopify platform. Once you install the app, it will automatically generate an optimized shopping feed from your Shopify store. You can view your feed statistics and your newly generated shopping feed by collapsing the main dashboard. All that's left to do is share your products with the world by creating a shopping campaign. Simply connect your Google Merchant and Ads account and fill in your daily budget, ROAS goals, and target country, and that's it. You have a Google shopping campaign up and running. Effortless Feed will also generate your shopping feed in your preferred format, allowing you to submit it manually to any advertising platform. And if all that is not enough, by connecting your Google Ads account or creating a new one directly from the main dashboard, you apply for a $500 coupon in ad credit. Whether you are a seasoned store owner in need of a multi-country and currency solution or have just opened your store, Effortless Feed is the app for you. Install Effortless Feed now.